These are side lying hip cars. One thing you want to remember when it comes to hip cars is that we're trying to maximally find rotation out of the thigh bone as we go through different planes of motion. Okay, so side lying hip cars, they're going to be considered a level 2 hip car because we have to keep the rest of the body blocked against the floor in this situation as we isolate the hip through a full car, right? So bottom leg, you can keep your knee bent or locked out. Any way you choose that helps you stabilize into the ground because you want to avoid that pelvis spill as we reach hip extension. We don't want to spill that pelvis back, okay? So let's go through one here together. Make tension with your hands. Bottom leg is pushing down. Abs are heavy, so if someone came to tilt you back and forth, they can't. Take a deep breath in. I'm going to start by bringing that top leg, so the knee to your chest. And then once you max out flexion, you're going to open up, spread your hips far apart. Once you max out there, you're going to start to send that foot back as you simultaneously drive back with your hip, slowly lowering down when you do. And then to reverse that rep, we're going to push back, hip extension, and then start lifting up into abduction here. And then as we're doing that, find rotation by swinging your foot through and back down to starting position. Let's go for one more. Driving that knee up, using hip here, maxing out hip flexion, spreading the hips apart for abduction here. And then internally rotate once you do, driving back with that foot, slowly lowering down, and then reverse, lifting up with that hip, bringing that foot through, back to the middle, back down.